So I posted 6 YouTube shorts in 30 days and the results were, they were what I expected, but at the same time, not really what I was expecting.
This isn't what I was expecting.
So I'll be sharing a few of the things that I found out in this experiment that I did over this past month. I'll be talking exactly about what happened to my channel after this time period, and hopefully you can get some insight from that on whether you should be posting YouTube shorts and how many YouTube shorts you should be posting to grow your channel. I'll also be sharing later on in the video about my strategy moving forward and some things that you could consider for yourself as well. But before we continue, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already to follow along on future videos from me and just to come hang out in the future. Why YouTube Shorts? So YouTube has been pushing out YouTube Shorts for a while now in hopes to compete with other vertical content video platforms such as TikTok or Instagram, notably Instagram Reels. And YouTube has gotten really serious about that. They recently even divided your YouTube channel where you can see all your YouTube Shorts in one tab and all your long form videos in another tab. And a couple of months ago, they announced a brand new monetization program for YouTube Shorts. And that will come with a 45% revenue split for content creators. And because YouTube is really pushing out YouTube Shorts, there is a lot of opportunity right now to get organic growth by posting YouTube Shorts. And starting in February of 2023, when YouTube launches this new monetization program, if you fulfill the requirements, you'll be able to get monetized and accepted in the YouTube Shorts partner program. So that just means that YouTube is really serious about YouTube Shorts and that you should not overlook it right now, which is why I wanted to do this little experiment to see what happened to my channel. So first of all, let's look at views. During this time period, my views more than doubled. So it says that my channel got 184% more views than usual in the last 28 days. So I got 100,424 views, more than the 31,700 to 46,200 views that I usually get in 28 days. So this is really, really good for my channel. And at the time of the watching of this video, my channel is sitting at about a little bit over 7,000 subscribers, which isn't a whole lot, but it gives you a good idea of what a boutique channel looks like.
Boutique is a euphemism for little fish.
So before starting this experiment, I was posting YouTube Shorts here and there, anywhere from 1 to 3 YouTube Shorts a week. Some of those views in the previous months already include some YouTube Shorts views, but overall, most of the views came from long form content. So in September of 2022, my channel got about 70,000 views. In October, about 66,000 views. But during this time period, from November 5th all the way to December 4th, my channel got 113,500 views. And if we look at the content type, we can see that 78,900 of those views, or almost 70% of those views, were from the Shorts feed. And the rest of those views were from my long form videos. So let's go back to October and see what that looked like. So in October, it was the other way around. I had 67% of my views, or 44,000 views, come from my long form videos, and 21,000 views, or the rest, from the Shorts feed. Posting YouTube Shorts is definitely going to bring in the views to your channel and more eyeballs to your channel, which is always a good thing. And for a lot of these YouTube Shorts that I was posting, I wasn't really thinking about the title or the thumbnail, because you don't really need a thumbnail for the YouTube Shorts feed. You don't really have to think about a clickable title either. So that makes posting a YouTube Short a little bit less stressful in that regard.
I had to find something less stressful.
Now, if we go to watch time, again, go by content type, we can see that the overall watch time obviously came mostly from the long form videos. 80% of that watch time, about 1,500 hours, came from long form videos, and only about 374 hours came from short form videos. And obviously the average view duration for YouTube Shorts is a lot lower than long form videos. Let's look at subscribers. So during this time period, you can see here that I had a total of 324 subscribers. 187 of them came from the YouTube watch page, which is when people hit the subscribe button when they're watching a video, a long form video. And 158 of those, almost half of those subscribers, came from the Shorts feed. So that means that people who are watching YouTube Shorts are actually subscribing as well. And this means that I almost had about a 50-50% split between subscribers coming from my long form videos and those from the short form videos. And now let's look at what happened in October. In October, because I posted a lot less YouTube Shorts, I only had about 18% of those subscribers come from the Shorts feed, and that was as expected. That being said though, I didn't get a significantly larger amount of subscribers by posting more YouTube shorts. The amount of subscribers I got during this time period was more or less the same as what I've been getting in the past few months. So did not see a huge increase there, but definitely more eyeballs on the channel. So now let's look at my best performing short and the worst performing one. We'll go to content under shorts, and I love now that YouTube separates all your content into the different tabs and types of content. The best performing one was this one, which got 11,000 views. So 14% of my total views for this time period. Everything else got a little bit less, 4,000, 3,000, some 2,000. A bunch got just over 1,000, and there are still a lot more that are under 1,000 views. And my worst performing one was this one that only got 260 views, and a few other ones that I thought were gonna do well, like how to save time. This one right here, 288 views. This video on another platform actually got a lot more views than the 288 that I got from the YouTube Shorts feed. The type of video was pretty much similar for both of these videos. YouTube Shorts, just like some of the other algorithms are out there, is still very much unpredictable. You're still throwing a bunch of YouTube short videos into the air, hopefully that one will catch the algorithm, or that the algorithm will catch one of them and continue to push your video forward.
I'm hoping to extract an algorithm to define the movement.
Obviously, your video still has to be engaging and still has to be good and bring value or be entertaining for people to continue to watch it or continue to share it. My strategy going forward would be to continue to post as much as I can, my one long form video a week, and along with a few YouTube shorts in that week as well. In turn, for yourself, if you're actively trying to grow your channel, post YouTube shorts, but don't disregard or do not forget about the long form videos, as I think they both go hand in hand. The short form videos may be good right now to grow your audience faster organically, but the long form videos is where it's at, in my opinion. So that's it for today's video. I just wanted to share with you this little experiment that I did, and I hope that you gain value and that you learn something about this that you can implement in your own content strategy. If you learned something new, please hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, hit the like button as well, and I'll see you next time.